So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how to actually set up the code on your actual Apple Watch. So it's very easy. You just go to settings. Here I've got it open, but I'm going to show you right off the start. Basically, you go upwards, you go downwards, you go to, many of you think it's in general. No, it's actually in passcode. Here, you click turn passcode on. You put a password, whichever you want it. I'm going to put 1234 and it's going to ask me, it's really easy. Do you still want to use it anyway. And then every time re-enter your password, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then every time you actually just have it around, it will actually require your actual Apple Watch. So for instance, let's say you just use it and you take it off your actual wrist, you see, it will ask you for your actual passcode, okay? It's really that simple, and this can be applied to any model, not just the actual Apple Watch Ultra, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. And as always, thank you very much for watching. And remember that we usually answer in under 24 hours. And also remember, we are currently giving away an actual AirPod Pro in case you want to participate.